Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about S&S piston cooling jets. If you are getting inside of your engine cases, this is going to be a great upgrade. There's really no reason to tear apart a set of stock cases to put these in there, but if you're one of those folks like myself that cannot leave things alone, this is a great upgrade. So basically, if you're splitting your cases, you're probably upgrading your flywheel setup, probably putting a stroker in. That's where these are going to come in clutch, specifically because they're a little bit shorter. So when you start to put that longer rod angle in there, things can get a little wonky with clearances. This is going to make sure you have a ton of clearance by moving this little port back. Also, another thing I like they really did, now instead of having one port where this is spraying up on the bottom of that piston, you have two. There's two nozzles there to spray the bottom of that piston and keep it cool. And according to S&S, a revised angle that's superior. Have to take their word for it on that, and those guys know what they're doing, so I'm going to take their word for it. Also, 6061 aluminum, and they anodized it blue, which is completely unnecessary, but very cool, because this is going to be inside your engine, and you're probably never going to see it again. If you do see it, you probably had a major failure, so you're not going to be interested in it. But if you're putting in a bigger flywheel set, you're probably also bumping compression, and that engine's going to run a little hotter. So having more oil to the bottom is probably going to cool it off a little better. You can have plenty of clearance. So overall, a great upgrade for 80 bucks. If you're spending the money to split those cases, you're spending thousands of dollars to build your hot rod. Throw another 80 bucks at it for a little bit more performance. Now, these are also available for twin cams, but the twin cam one, honestly, all it does is shorten that nozzle up just a little bit to give you some rod clearance. The M8 one's a little more trick. 80 bucks for a little bit extra insurance, a little bit more performance. Having more questions about this, go ahead and click that info on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and more specs about this product. Still have some questions? Feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.